Hi, this is Mark Harrington from markharrington.com. This is a quick review video on Tiffany Lambert's new product. It's called Achieving Personal and Professional Success in Life, PLR. It's a series of reports. There are 7 reports that goes through the steps for you to address the challenges in your personal and professional life and then to fix it. I'm going to start with the JV page. So we've got a picture there. I'm going to talk a little bit. I'm going to stop here. Tiffany Lambert has been writing PLR for quite some years now. She's a firm believer in being an ethical seller, so she does her own research, she does her own writing. So you will find that the articles or the reports are well written, English quality is really good, and the topic is thoroughly researched and up to date. She has learned a lot about marketing for the top gurus that she used to ghostwrite for. So she does know what sells and what satisfies readers best, and particularly good at reading the climate of the time. She focuses on text-based content so that you need to go and put the graphics in yourself. This makes an easy way to do the PLR. To make the PLR unique is put some graphics in, and it won't look like anybody else's, even though the words may be the same. The smart way to use PLR is to edit the words and put your style in, or add in your own stories. The sales funnel is very simple. There's a front-end product of $17, which I'll talk a little bit on its own, and then there's a one-time offer for $27. And what Tiffany does is she dives into her library of PLR materials and gives you access to a selection of that for a super bargain price. Now, basically, any one of those PLR products that are in the OTO would have sold for $17 to $27 on its own, and you can get a bundle for $27. I will talk about ideas about how to use that PLR. We'll just talk about what is in the front end. There are 7 reports. There are 5 or 6 pages each, and they basically go through the building blocks that you'd need to go start fixing things that are not right in your personal and professional life. So being honest about the pain points, taking stock of your finances, evaluate relationships, understand your health, work out where you spend your time, and then really just ask the simple question, are you enjoying life? And then take action to fix them. And then the report number 2 goes through the program steps that you need to go through to work. So understand what's stopping you professionally, understanding the things that you can fix in your personal life, making tweaks in your business, managing the things you can't change. This is a very important part of stress, is where you try to change things that can't be changed. You've got to work out how to live with them and how to live around them. Handling the setbacks in your business, and then getting a balance between work and home life, or home and work life. So it lends itself to just using it to fix your own situation. So I'm going to go across here to ideas on how to use the PLR. So for the front end, you can use them to write blog posts, chunk them up for social media posts. You can create your own report to sell. So basically all you need to do is add in graphics, put a graphic front cover on it, and then you can create a product for you to sell, or you can actually give it away as a lead magnet. It's a bit of a grand lead magnet, but it would work. And then of course you can add it to a paid or a free membership site. I'm going to talk about the OTO. I'll come back to the OTO, because what the OTO is, it's a very, very long list. I have got 2 pages here. There are 10 topics. They're all related to dealing with mindset, self-worth, success. And some of these are products that Tiffany sold that not long ago. So I remember reviewing Get Creative and Stay Focused as an example. What a lot of these bundles do is they include an ebook, a couple of short reports for a lead magnet, a list of articles, a bunch of articles, 15, 20 articles, which really lends themselves to be built into a follow-up autoresponder series. And you can construct a business in a box. So I'm going to go back to this page here, because what my thought is on how to use the OTO, if these topics are in your niche areas, is pick one topic to build your list. So you create and add the graphics for your lead magnet and for your main report. Edit the lead magnet, put in your own links, put in your own graphics, edit the main report, and then upload the PDF to hosting. Create an opt-in page and a download page in your favorite page builder. Add in the autoresponder emails and the link from the page builder so that your autoresponder emails start up once people have opted in. Run traffic to your opt-in page. Create a sales page for the main report as a product and a thank you page for people to then download that main report, and then run traffic to the opt-in page. So that's what my thoughts would be to really get value out of the funnel. So $17 for this front end, $27. Even if you just use one product, it will be enormously valuable. Now I have created a sampler. I've taken the first of those reports, which is being honest about the pain points in your personal life, and I have stuck them into Wave Video and created a video. These are the words. Everyone has issues in their personal life. Many people rush through life with these things weighing on them. You don't have to just accept how things are and live with pressure and pain. You just need to get honest with yourself and about what's happening, and then make a plan of action to remedy what's within your control. You can't implement any plans until you can see things how real they are. And then here's some hot pointers, and these are the main topics in the report. So I've created a video about that and popped it into a landing page, and that is an example of how to use the PLR. So let's go back to the JV page, and this is an example of one of the OTOs, Adopting a Proactive Mindset. There's a 61-page ebook, and there are a couple of reports, 5 ways you sabotage your success. So you just turn that into a lead magnet, use this main report as your product that you're selling, and create an opt-in page. It has 15 product reviews, which you can then feed these into your email sequence, and these are products. Some of these are, so the 7 Habits of Highly Effective People is a book on Amazon. Some of these are products that are for sale, and which question, just build them into your autoresponder series and see how you can build your own business. And then once you've done one, you go and pick the next one. The next one is similar. So that's the idea for using the PLR. Let's talk about bonuses. I have put together some bonuses. I've summarized them here. Well, I'm going to whiz down my bonus page so you'll recognize it when you see it. And my bonuses is all focused around mindset, time management, productivity, and things like that. Complete concentration, a report on how to stay focused. Creative original ideas as to how to get your brain actually thinking a little differently than you're accustomed to. Increasing your personal productivity, so dealing with time management. How to improve your memory. How to enhance your energy. And then last is how to build a success mindset. These are all important things if you want to take command of your personal and professional success. Let's just do the summary there. Complete concentration, creative original ideas, increase your personal productivity, how to improve your memory, how to enhance your energy, and how to build a success mindset. That concludes my quick review of Tiffany Lambert's Achieve Success PLR. I appreciate your time and attention, and I wish you every success.